Those look good. Cute. Nice organic mushrooms. Oops, the lettuce got a little smashed. But it's okay. They shouldn't have put the sugar on top of the vegetables. That's the first mistake like this I've seen them make, though. Grapes look good. Yep. More lettuce. That's pretty nice. Bunch of pretty chard. What's this? What's this? Okay, the spinach looks a little bit draggled. But it'll probably perk up. Oh, now that's a beautiful lettuce. I did get 2 whole bunches of spinach, though. That's nice. I think in here are the berries. Yeah, blackberries. Let's see if they're over here. Oh no, look, guys. Well, okay, I can't get them out right now. There they are. Ooh, nice raspberries. Brussels sprouts. Lots of good scallions. They look really nice this time. There are my shallots. 2 bunches of the hipster's favorite thing. Ooh, golden beets. Yum. And what's left? Let's see here. Here's some 2 nice bunches of cilantro. Golden orange peppers. Zucchini. Sorry, I'm not really good at taking pictures. Oranges. A little bit more. Take a picture. A little bit more of the wonderful, what are they called? Watermelon radish. Some red onions. Look. Now that's a nice looking head of lettuce. Pretty nice, little beet, but this is Misfits. And one of their grocery items that they sell because of like, changing packaging or something. That was a real deal. That stuff is expensive. So, get out of the light here. Well, I can't get out of the light. That's a big pile. But given the fact that I got credits for anything that was messed up, and I get a discount anytime anyone joins through my link, all this food cost me, sorry about the light, $30.